Hey, what's up, good people? I'm back out here, man. It's hot as hell out here in Texas, but can't stop nothing. We got to keep this smoker going, man. So I'm rocking out on my favorite char griller, Gravity 980. And of course, I'm rocking with the good charcoal. That's the official charcoal of BKC Cooks. And today I'm smoking a chuck roast. I'm making sandwiches out of this, so I'm gonna smoke this, then I'm gonna braise it, and it's gonna be fall apart delicious, super beefy goodness, you understand? Yes indeed. So again, like I said, I'm rolling with the good charcoal, lump charcoal. Get yourself a couple bags of this. This is great stuff. And I'm also using some oak wood chunks for flavor. You can get that beautiful smoky flavor on there. And again, I'll stew this down and make some wonderful, wonderful sandwiches. And let me know what y'all out here smoking and grilling, man. You know, I know it's not hot, super hot like it is everywhere in the country, but I want to know what y'all got going on them grills and what you got going on those smokers. And I'll keep y'all posted on the progress of this chuck roast. Show y'all what these sandwiches look like. I'll catch y'all later on.